One of the biggest limitations of iMovie is its inability to animate or spin rotated videos. In this video, I'll show you a Keynote hack that enables you to accomplish this. Open up Keynote and select the wide format which fits a video frame. Let's get rid of the default title text, but you could leave it in if you wanted some text in here. Zoom to fit so we can see the whole frame. Shrink our Keynote window a bit so we can see our clip in the desktop, and drag the clip onto the slide. Let's make the video smaller than the full frame to start with so we can animate it growing while it spins. Make sure it's centered. Select the Animation tab. Note that a Start Movie built-in has been created by default. We're going to add 2 animations in this example, starting with a scale to grow the clip while it spins. We'll grow it by 200%, or double in size. Now we'll add the rotation to make it spin. We'll do 2 full rotations. Zero out the partial rotation. The video clip we are working with is 14 seconds long, so make our animation last for the full playback. Next, click on Build Order so we can set the rotate and scale to happen at the same time. We'll set the rotate to start with Build 2, which is the scale. Let's do a preview to see what we have. Oops! The scale happens too fast. We need it to match the 14 seconds of our rotate. Okay, play it back. Looks great! Let's try the normal technique of exporting to a movie. I sped up time a little here to minimize boredom. When we view the result, there's no animation. This is some undocumented bug or limitation of Keynote. Apple, take note. The video is going to look different now because you are looking at an iPhone video recording of my MacBook screen, not a screen capture. We are going to use QUICKTIME to do a screen capture of the Keynote animation playback. Start up the capture of the full screen, then launch the Keynote preview. Seems to be working. Stop the screen recording by clicking on the button in the icon bar. We'll trim both ends of the created clip to get rid of the start-stop process. Okay, we have a clean clip. Now save to a file on the desktop so we can import into iMovie. Let's fire up iMovie. Import our screen capture. Voila! That's what we were shooting for. You can get real creative with this technique by using a green screen background and doing various animations. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please click like and subscribe below. Past the raging rivers and the